Yesterday, I reset it and everything like you said. After I done that, it ran good and everything. But then this morning, it wouldn't even start up again.
Well, right. You didn't fix anything. We just reset the codes.
Right.
So it's not going to be fixed. We didn't fix anything.
No, but it started up before, is what I'm saying. This is what it's been doing. It would start up, and then it would run, and then all of a sudden, then we couldn't even get it to crank over. And yesterday, it started up when I went out there yesterday. That's how I knew I could start the car. I didn't have to jump it out or not.
Right.
And so last night when I cleared the codes, they ran pretty good. I haven't put nothing on it yet, but it's still, what's puzzling me is how come it'll run, and then in the morning or whenever you go try to start it again,
so,
and the battery's brand new.
The intermittent problem, that's very common. So when electronic components start to go bad, they will work intermittently.
Right.
So that's really not the question, is why is it intermittent? We see this all the time. We know it's an electronic problem. The real question should be, what is bad that's going bad intermittently causing this problem, and how do we diagnose it? So to answer your question, a lot of people call me up and they're like, I'm so confused. It does it intermittently, and I just can't figure it out. Again, that's what electronic components do when they go bad.
Exactly.
So we know it's something electronic. We just got to figure out what's wrong. So my answer that we talked about the other day still remains the same. You still have to go through the tests or the steps to figure out what's going on.
Right. So the only problem with that is it's hard for me to read. I'm older and whatever on the phone. I was wondering if there's any way that we can send it to my email and I can print it out.
I can send this information to your email. Absolutely.
So that's the biggest thing. And I'm not a dumb mechanic, but I'm trying to figure out where these connections are.
Which connection?
The ones that you want me to test. I know the map sensor one. I know that one. And I think the other one is the one right by the power distribution center, but I want to make sure.
So refresh my memory. Which connection are you talking about by the power distribution center?
I think it was to check the neutral safety switch.
I don't think that's going to be by the power distribution center. That wouldn't make any sense.
That's what I'm asking.
So are you asking where is the neutral safety switch? Is that your question?
No, I know where that is. It's inside the transmission.
Please rephrase your question so I know how to answer you.
So the connectors that I would have to go back on my phone, and I can't even get back on the chat. I don't know what's going on with that. But my question is the connectors that you want me to test with the multimeters, and that's what I need to know. I know the map cam sensor one, but I don't know where the other one is located.
Access the transmission harness connector. Oh, the transmission harness connector, that's one of them.
Yes. Where's that one at?
All right, so transmission connector, let's take a look here. C1520, that's what it is.
I can't get back to the chat. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how to get back to it or what.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and send you a reply. Let me know if you can.
That's the last I got. And then here's the Ford mechanic responding to your question. View it here. That's the last one I got. Is that the one you want me to hit?
Yep.
Ford mechanic. All right. Where it says, do you see this? Yeah, I see that. But I see what you're talking about. It's right in the front. So I can unhook that and there'll be no problems?
Yep. So I just sent over an offer. Go ahead and accept that offer. I'll double check here again in a couple minutes, and I'll reply back in the chat and let you know what I see, okay?
But anyway, how do I keep back on the chat? That's my biggest thing.
You got to click on the
So do I go justanswer.com and get on the link? Or
well, it's whatever they sent you.
Thank you.
You bet. You're welcome. Bye-bye.